All right, so here I am using the Screencast-O-Matic that I downloaded, the free version of, and I'm going to do a little online searching today. So I'm going to look for fun things to do in Milwaukee. Whoa, 9.3 million results, okay. Maybe I want to do this weekend. 12 million results. Okay, that's not the way I want to go. So maybe this weekend, maybe I want to say fun things to do in Milwaukee. August 24th, 25th, 2018. Okay, now I'm down to 1 million results. But hopefully that's going to get me somewhere closer. All right, so I'm just going to click on this events calendar. I like a calendar myself. It's from the Milwaukee Magazine, so I should know what's going on in the area, I would think. Okay, all kinds of stuff. So we've got some drag racing, some Jim Dine prints, Paul Yank process and perspective, some photography, Milwaukee mattress from stores to host school drive. Oh, that sounds kind of interesting. Taste of Egypt Fest, Egyptian Fest in Oak Creek, Wisconsin. That sounds interesting. So I'm going to click on this more thing. And it's in Oak Creek, Wisconsin. It's a great family event, it says. So maybe I want to find out more about this. So Taste of Egypt Fest, Egyptian Fest. I'm just going to actually copy that and put it up here instead. And then I'm going to maybe say history of, let's see, 26 results. Okay, so this looks interesting. This is from 2016. Gives me some more maybe information about the history of it. I got some fun pop-up ads that are ruining it. Okay. This looks really interesting. I'm getting some decent information. This is still just a .com. But it is here. I've got a name, Church Treasurer George Benjamin. So maybe that's someone else I would want to search at, or maybe Pat Clark, the author of the article, would know more information about it. And I could do further searches from there to try to locate the history of the Egyptian festival. So, as you can see, some struggles that I'm having, right, are it picking me up clearly. So I think we need to think more about lighting. Internet connectivity was a huge struggle for me. So I had to do this at school quick. A lot of things to take into consideration. And we'll move on to talking about that in class now.